What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today we have a fun video. We're going to be pre-infusing our espresso shot by actually using an electric kettle, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the steps on how we are going to do that. Hope you guys all enjoy the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, as we are a small channel looking to reach more coffee lovers like you around the world. Again, my name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and let's get going. First, we're going to grab our hot portafilter. Next, we're going to add our puck paper to the bottom here. Next, we're going to add just a little bit of water, just like so, to pre-wet that. Get all that in there, and then just dump the rest of the water. And here you are with a wet puck paper. Next, we're going to grind our coffee. Next, we're going to distribute. Next, we're going to tamp. Now we're going to add our second portapaper there and our puck screen. Now we're going to come over to our electric kettle, which we already have set at 209 degrees. And we are going to pour a little bit on our puck screen. So we're just going to fill the very top like so. And we're going to let it sit for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to brew. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull our shot. So the goal is to get about 17 to 22 seconds. In my opinion, based on the shot that we're pulling. And here is what the shot looks like. We are using some Ethiopia Taru from Good Brothers, tasting notes of Teddy Grahams, tart citrus, and lingering finish. And then here is the way the shot looks. So really good crema, especially for a fast shot that we just pulled. And we're going to give that a sip. So it's super good like this. We got 32. You're looking to put about half the amount of water that you pulled for your extraction. So we're going to be looking at about 15 grams here. There we go. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and give it a couple taps, spin it around, and cheers. Absolutely amazing. This shot really brings out a lot of the tasting notes that are in this bag of coffee. If you haven't tried this recipe, I would definitely recommend to try it, as it is a really good recipe. And I promise, if you are someone who really likes the clarity of the notes from the coffee to come out and really just shine through, this is a good recipe to try. So again, thank you so much. My name is Dylan with Espresso Outlet, and I'll catch you in the next one.